Hello, tattoo review fans. Okay, so we got these little like kidsy tattoos. Let's take them out. Bum bum bum. Right, so you have a little troll there, a little pink lion. You have a little greeny thing, a little alien, pinky alien, who's a missus. A little bat, and another little trolley. Little thing with funny things at its head. Little mother troll. A wacky thing. So let's choose this. Put one of these on. I really like this little troll. I think he's really cool. So let's go put him on. Get those, like so. Okay, so we get a little troll. Take off a little plastic like so, and you get your water, dun, 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 like that. And then let's put it on this hand, okay? Or we could put it here. Let's put it here. Alright, so sorry, me knocking the camera. Just gotta put loads of water in here. Try and make one of these like art programs. So these are like 12 different like monster tattoos you can use. You can click on the link below the video. There's like a link to Amazon. You can buy them there. Oh, out. Here we go. I got the instructions there, so I'm just gonna rub that off. Oh, out. See if we get them. I got hairs on my arms, so it's a little bit more not as smooth as it normally does. There you go. Does he look cute? Looks really lovely. So you can try all these on, and you can all put them on there. So look, click on the link below. Thanks for watching.